Hello Mzansi, welcome back to Mkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Omotoso finally leaves South Africa njengoba uhambile namuhla nje. Sikhuluma ulapha e-OR Tambo, uyahamba uya kubo, uya ekhaya kubo guys, uya eveni lakhe, and people are just saying finally. So uMotoso kuziyaqo ukuthi onke amaqala lake wabekwa wona onke guys, kwathiwa akanaqala. Abantu abaningi basala bashaqekile babembe umlomo ukuthi hayi wena amaqala la ngaka le abekanawo uMotoso, but kuvele kutholakale ukuthi nalinye iqala akanalo. So namuhla uMotoso guys uyahamba uyekhaya kubo. He was escorted by police, bamlandzela ngemuva nabatindzaba bamaphephandzaba. They were following, bafuna kubona ukuthi hayibo liqiniso naleli selivako, but unfortunately they didn't allow cameras at a certain place la fika wangena khona. Bathi cha nine manini lana novumelekanga ukuthi ningene. People were asking questions lapha kuMotoso, bambuta ukuthi are you still gonna come back to South Africa. Leyo question leyo akazange ayiphendule, but people feel ukuthi utobuya lo. People are just saying ukuthi he'll come back, but labanye abantu bathi siyathandaza nkosi yami ukuthi avela ahambe angaphindza abheke emuva, hamba khohlwa nje nge-South Africa because ulimoshile live nangibabi. And people are saying ukuthi vele ama-foreigners agqwelela South Africa and ngibo alaba destroyer i-South Africa, bayende nje nibheke phansi phezulu. Said ukuthi kunebantu abeva buhlungu kakhulu because uMotoso unelisonto, and said ukuthi bazalwane bakhe they are always mashing ngisho noma boshiwe bahlala baqala phambili baya emakhotho bakhala bathi akakhishwe. There's a video yalomnyama ke bekazakhala lathi ngamane kubanjwe yena kuboshwe yena abamekele lo muntu wenkosi innocent akati lutho akakhishwe umfundisi umuntu wenkosi umuntu waNkulunkulu. So there are people who believe ukuthi uMotoso umuntu olungile umfundisi vele. So uma nine nimbeka amabala nithi kwendelo people are just saying ukuthi hayibo kakwentanga lokho umfundisi wethu thina siyamthanza. Yo hayi I'm sure ukuthi bayabova buhlungu kuva leti ndzaba leti ukuthi umfundisi wabo like is finally leaving South Africa. Labanye nje namhla ngebalali guys, ngeke baze balale, tinhlitiyo tobe tibila namhla bakwateni leso sikhathi. Why bangaveli bahambe naye uMotoso vele bayilahla la khona? Angisho angafika avulele elinye isondo khona le. Why bangahambi naye? Why bafuna ukuthi vele ahlale la South Africa baze bamele bathi umuntu lolungile umfundisi akakhishwe jele lo muntu wenkosi? Bakhali ngisho nakuma-video abantu abadzala kubo TikTok. Khalela Sigebengu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.